Achieving a long-lasting WiseBond epoxy floor begins from the ground up. Today we're going to show you how to repair your concrete substrate with KreteBond concrete crack filler. KreteBond is a 1-to-1 crack filler that is mixed either in a cup or on a scrap piece of cardboard. Grab equal parts of A and B and mix thoroughly until you receive a nice uniform gray color. The working time of KreteBond is only 2 to 4 minutes, so only mix as much as you can apply in that window. Once a gray color, push the KreteBond into your cracks with a putty knife. Continue to fill them in and feather it along each side. Be sure to get these cracks as flat as possible, but if you do have high spots, these will need to be sanded or ground flat and feathered with a low grit orbital sander or diamond wheel once the KreteBond cures. The KreteBond should be cured in about 60 minutes.